It's Earth Day! And you know what that means? Rare plant unboxing! Also, sorry if there's some background noise. There's some people working on the house next door. They actually tried to steal some mangoes from us. These are the mangoes the guy tried to steal, but I chased him down and he gave them back. We got a big box this time. Look at the size on this guy. 5 pounds. Now you'd think this was super expensive, but it actually wasn't so bad. It was around $100, and it's from a nursery that I really like. They specialize in like rare and also native plants. They're called Paradise Found Nursery. I really like buying from them. Unfortunately, they're going out of business, but for now they're still open, so you should buy stuff if you still can. Anyway, let's get into it. Alright, let's open her up. Wow, packing peanuts! This is a list of everything I got. You can pause to read, but I'll show everything anyway. Alright, so delving into these packing peanuts, it seems like the first thing we have up is this one. This is Helianthus regula, also known as the rayless sunflower. Second up, we have got... Oh, this is a big one. Oh, these are two. This is Stokesia laevis, also known as Stokes aster, and these produce some really nice colored flowers, which is why I bought them. Up next, we've got another combo pack. These are two Croton puntatus, also known as beach croton or golf croton, and they've got these really nice silvery colored leaves that have a really nice texture to them. In the same container, we have this Monarda punctata, also known as dotted horsemint, and it's just a really interesting and unique looking flower. Oh, we've got a big one here. Oh, look at the size of this. This is Flavaria linearis, also known as yellowleaf narrowtop, and it's just a really interesting looking flower. We've got a lot out and still a lot to go. In that same container, we had this Trichostema dichotomum, and it's called Fort Blue Curls. And I actually already had one of these, but they're just such a cool and interesting looking plant, I had to get another. Wow, this is a really small one. This little guy is Eryngium baldwini, also known as Baldwin's eringo. Reaching towards the bottom, we have another combo pack, and these two are Verbicina virginica, or frostweed. There's another, actually a really big one. You can see it peeking out there. This is none other than Phonostrum clausum, which is a really interesting vine because it's actually a type of milkweed, so monarchs can eat this and lay their eggs on it, though it's not exactly preferred to them. There's still a ton in here, so I think we'll have to skip the segment where I pull them out. So let's just go to the next plant! This little guy is Garbaria heterophylla, which is a really interesting flowering shrub, which is actually completely endemic to Florida. That means that it only grows in Florida and nowhere else on Earth. Probably the worst deal of this box, here's Xanthocylum clavahercules, which is Hercules Club, and I did not know that it'd be this small. I paid like $10 for this. This was not good. The other ones were good, but this one is not worth it. Here's Dodonea viscosa, which is actually one of the world's most successful tropical trees, because it's actually native to everywhere from Africa to South America to Florida to even Australia, where it originated from. It just really goes through the ocean and it can spread anywhere. And last but not least, we've got Celtis lavigata, or hackberry. This is a tree I've wanted for some time, but as you can see, it was not worth the $10 I paid for. Well, that just about concludes this unboxing. I got a lot of really cool, really rare plants. I'm overall pretty satisfied. Most of these plants were around $4 or $5, some were even less actually. So I would recommend Paradise Found Nursery. However, do not buy the trees. Those are not worth it. Well, that's the unboxing, everyone. I just want to wish you guys a happy Earth Day. And thank you for 60 subscribers. I didn't think that we'd reach that goal. So thank you. And if you like this video, you can like it, you can leave a comment, and if you're not subscribed already, subscribe.